This video is presented by VoiceOver article. Open an online savings account. With the popularity of the internet, many financial institutions are beginning to see that they can offer their customers many different options. There are several financial institutions that have decided that they can give their customers more services because they have cut their overheads by operating completely online. Using an online bank is oftentimes much better than using your local banking branch, and when you open an online savings account you will find that the fees are much less and the interest rate is much higher, which puts extra money in your pocket. One of the first questions or concerns that many consumers have is, when you open an online savings account, is your money safe? The answer is yes. If they are FDIC insured, that means that your money in an online savings account is insured by the federal government just as it would be in your local bank. It also has the limits of $100,000 per depositor. The next question is usually, how do I actually open an online savings account? It is very easy. You go online and decide which banking institution you would like to use. They will then have an application to fill out which will include all your personal information. Once you submit the application, they will then print it all out and mail it to you to be signed. When they mail your application, anyone that will be a signer on the account will have to sign the application and signature card in the appropriate places. They will then ask you to include a photocopy of all the signers' driver licenses. This is due to the changes in bank laws after 9/11. At this time you will then include your deposit, and as with any transaction done through the mail, do not send cash. Once they have received your deposit, they will send you your checks or debit cards to access your savings account. Most of the online banks give you 1 or 2 free times to use an ATM machine to access your funds without charging you a fee. Check the terms and details of your account to make sure. Depositing money is also a question that most people have with online savings account. You can deposit your money 3 ways. First, you can mail in a check for deposit. Make sure it is endorsed for deposit only and mail it certified. You can also have money direct deposited from your employer. Just fill out the proper forms that your employer will give you. Next, you can transfer money online from any other banking account. There is usually a limit of how much you can transfer, and the bank you are taking the money from usually charges a fee. If you want to save and earn a higher interest rate than your local bank can offer, open an online savings account. Your money is safe, easy to access, and will earn you a higher rate of interest and accrue fewer fees than with a standard local bank. This video is presented by VoiceOver article.